Part 2 of the install for the French drain. We're doing this a little different. We're actually putting cleanouts. That's what that part is over there that's sticking out. 2 sections of perforated pipe from the bottom. You can see it. And that'll be a clean out. And once we get the whole thing installed, we will level it. So far, we have most from the second clean out right here back is pretty much at the correct depth. From the second clean out forward, we ended up having to put some gravel in because this black corrugated pipe that connects to my downspout needed to be set and leveled and everything. And so now we're going back and we're filling it all in, and the corrugated pipe as well as the PVC pipe will all be covered. The black fabric, weed fabric that we have will eventually be folded over, but it's not large enough to be able to make it all the way over. So we have some more over here that is going to be almost like a cap on top. And then we'll put a little bit more gravel on top of it. The bottom here, I was showing you on the first video, from here through to here, we are driving at the moment. So this is not completed. This is just sort of like an end spot so that we can drive the tractor back and forth here. But once we get to the point where the drain and everything is set and good, we'll end up opening this up and have the proper drainage and clean this whole area up so everything can kind of flow down this way. And then the hill, because we've had all this like slide down and stuff, this is going to have to be dug further out, that dirt removed, and then this whole area is going to be actually at a taper this way. So there's going to be almost like a hillside gutter. And then what we have left of our gravel pile, you can already see like a big old amount that we've taken from this. We have some other plans for it. I don't know if it'll be enough to go on this road, but we have some other areas that we want to be able to use it. And gravel's always handy to have. So probably another day or two of working, and we'll finally get this mostly done and functional is the main thing. We need to have it functional. Just so you can see this dirt that we've been driving back and forth on, how hard it is. Very packed in. There's hardly any way that you could use I mean, you could, I guess, a mattock or something to break it up, but boy, it is harder than a whore's heart, as my friend in Florida used to say. This is definitely not easy to dig.